This is Mykonos, but not as you know it. One of roots, traditions, and family. We're here to live like locals, to cook, to share, to learn, and to discover the real flavours of the island. Join us as we uncover the soul of Mykonos. This is not just a trip, this is living. Kalimera from Rizes Farmstead. I'm here with Nikki. We're going to have a tour of the farm here in Mykonos. We're going to see all about the farmstead, traditional methods they use, farm to table, the gardening, the vegetables, everything that the Zouganelli family does to preserve ancestral methods here in Mykonos. Thank you so much, Nikki, for having us.
Thank you. Welcome to Rizes family. Please.
Where can we begin? Give us a tour.
So, we can go to see the house first.
Fantastic. And this is where the Zouganelli family live?
Yes, this is the property of the Zouganelli family. This is where they live.
Yes.
All year round.
All year round, wow.
All year round, but just for the summer.
Yes.
The restaurant is also open for visitors
Amazing.
to come.
An
And
experience.
their house is open for visitors to see
Oh, wow.
and learn about
So
them.
actual visitors can go inside their house and have a look?
Yes, of course they do.
Amazing.
This is the main bedroom. Welcome. Beautiful. This is the main bedroom of where the owners that own the place now are still living. But the property and the farm and Rizes, it's in the same family for 3 generations now.
Bassinet
Baby
for a
bassinet.
baby bassinet right here.
This is a traditional structure of the houses of Mykonos, the very thick stone walls.
Yes.
That they are so thick that they captivate the humidity
Yes.
and the heatness.
It's much
inside.
cooler in here than it is out there.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And the wooden details, the wooden furniture.
It's gorgeous.
This is a formal area to treat guests when they arrive to your place.
Yes.
They wouldn't eat here, lunch or dinner. This is only something for a formal situation.
Wow.
So this is where you treat with coffee
Yes.
and a little treat your
Yes.
guests.
Yes.
So this would be their kitchen area, and this is where they would eat. This was their fireplace.
Wow.
The goods would go in, light the fire, and then the pans would go directly. The loom was very important. Every household would have a loom back then.
Yes.
And Mykonos weavings were very popular. And the loom was placed in the kitchen room, usually because it was more of a lady's job to do.
Yes.
And back then,
Yes.
where the men would out in the field all day, women would be in the kitchen cooking and prepping meals. In the clay containers, they would store everything they wanted to have to cook. Olive oil, milk, grains. We have another important thing here.
Oh, yes.
That's a celebration now, where we make the wine. Place all the grapes inside, and then you go in and stomp on them barefoot. So through the channel, you can collect all the juice to become wine.
And this is still used?
This is still in use,
Still
yes.
functioning. Wow.
Of course.
Threshing floor.
Yes, where people, they would put the weeds from the farm.
Yes.
And then with the help of a donkey that they would guide, walking in circles.
Walking in circles to crush the grain?
Exactly. They would crush the grain and then strain everything and keep the cereal out of that only.
Beautiful.
So we have our own private chapel. And this is used by the family for private praying sometimes, or to celebrate some ceremonies sometimes. People back then would build a chapel to their land, close to their house for protection. They didn't have Sunday service here. They would maybe have the main church of the island that they would go to. So this was something only for them.
So do they harvest their own olives, press their own olive oil as well?
Yes.
Because there are
They
quite a
make
lot of
their
olive
own
trees
cheese.
here.
Yeah.
I haven't noticed so many olive trees on the island itself, mostly within.
Mykonos is a little bit more of a dry island.
So there's still some old tools in here. Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at the barrels.
They would have a storage room to keep the barrels in a cold temperature, so they could preserve them here. And of course, tools that they would use for the farm, for the animals.
Beautiful.
And in the picture there, you see the traditional instrument of Mykonos, chabuna. It's like a bagpipe. So
We didn't see this the other day. You're hungry? There's kokora.
the chicken house. This is our chicken coop. We get our fresh eggs every day. Okay. And this building, the upstairs space, the square space, it's a pigeon's house. This is our kale.
Oh, lovely.
It's harvest, most of it.
Yes,
by now.
it's been harvested.
This is called anjuri. Yeah.
Is it a melon?
Is it a weird mix of squash and cucumber?
Oh, wow. Squash and cucumber.
It is very overprotective over the baby.
That's good. Look, and a few donkeys too. You can see some zucchini flowers just there and some zucchinis growing.
April and May, there was some rainy days, but you know,
That
not
was a long
storms.
time ago.
Yeah, very little.
Wow, wow, wow.
I haven't seen rain for 5 months, I think now.
Oh,
These are the mean protectors of the lands. Farmers would place them at the edge of the farm so they can scream if somebody came into your land, or they can chase people.
gorgeous. So every day fresh bread is made and
Yes.
wood fired. Nikki, the overall atmosphere here is very family orientated. You feel like you're being welcomed into the Zorganelli's family's home. Is that the type of thing they want for visitors? They want to welcome them to their farmstead?
Yes, this is exactly what it is.
Yes.
The Zuganelli family, they welcome people into their house. It is not something that we do just for work or just for show.
Yes.
It's really their house, and they're local people from Mykonos. They have been in Mykonos their whole life, so they know all the authentic side, and they know all the traditions by heart, and
Yes.
they live by that.
It's great that they can educate visitors of traditional methods of doing things, and that's really special. So it's a great place to come to slow down and to appreciate simple things in life. I think that's a really special message for visitors. Nikki, thank you so much for giving us a tour of the farmstead. It has been an amazing experience, and I cannot wait to come back later tonight to see all the fresh produce right on the table. This
Of
is
course.
the most exciting part. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for including me in your video.
Absolutely. We'll see you again, I hope.
See you.